Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to find Ford Mustang parts. First, clearly identify the exact part you need for your classic Mustang. Knowing the specific component, like a fender or a carburetor, is crucial. Next, decide if you prefer new, used, or reproduction parts, as each option has different availability and price points. Finally, consider your budget and how quickly you need the part, as these factors will guide your search effectively. Many specialized online retailers focus exclusively on classic Mustang parts. Websites like CJ Pony Parts or National Parts Depot offer extensive catalogs. Don't forget to explore classic car forums and online communities. Members often share valuable insights and trusted sources. For those elusive or unique items, online auction sites can sometimes yield surprising finds, but always verify seller reputation. While online options are vast, local resources are also valuable. Your neighborhood auto parts store might carry common maintenance items or universal components. For more specific or complex parts, reach out to specialty classic car restoration shops. They often have connections or inventory. Attending classic car swap meets and car shows can also be incredibly fruitful for discovering parts and networking with enthusiasts. To ensure a smooth process, always double-check part numbers and compatibility with your Mustang specifications before making any purchase. Reading reviews and checking seller ratings is essential for building trust, especially with online vendors. Remember that quality classic car parts often command a fair price, so be prepared to invest appropriately for the right component. Happy hunting for your Mustang!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.